Today we are going to learn about VPS. Now what is VPS? VPS is Visual Positioning System. VPS is technology that enables a device such as a smartphone to determine its location and orientation in the physical world using visual cues. VPS systems use computer vision algorithms to analyze images from a camera or other optical sensors and match them against a database of known locations or features. So let's take an example in this image. So if an image is captured from this location, right, so how does it work? Basically VPS determines a device location based on imagery rather than a GPS location. We will go in depth how does it work. So basically I have taken one of the best VPS system available in the market, that is MultiSet AI, which is a robust visual positioning system for precise, reliable and multi-level environments. So now let's go in depth about MultiSet AI. So I'll go to google.com and just search about I'll just go to google.com and search about multiset.ai. So we land land here in the website of MultiSet AI. Now if we check here, basically here they have given basic steps like how the whole flow works. So first thing is like how to create our own VPS. First of all we have to map our area, right, and then we can localize the same area. We can also build our own application using the provided SDK, and then we can deploy the AR. Now it can also be used for indoor navigation purpose or different types of features like training or marking specific items in AR, which can be really helpful for indoor applications such as indoor navigation and all. So you can go through this website and we can see like it provides various types of features based on VPS. So first of all I will show you how the whole how can we use MultiSet application. So in order to do that we have to use, this mapping required a LiDAR sensor. If you want to use your iPhone or iPad, it has to be a pro model, like any pro model with a LiDAR sensor. So I will show you how this can be done. First of all you have to go to App Store and just search here MultiSet, okay, and install this application. So once the app is installed, just open the app and here just log in. Now you can log in with your email. As soon as I am logged in, I can see like the previously mapped list of previously mapped areas. Okay, now if I want to create a new one, I can simply go ahead and start creating one. So as soon as I click on the plus button, it is showing me instructions. I can simply go through the instruction. It shows like how I have to map the area. Okay, and then I can skip the onboarding, and then I'll start the mapping here. Now the mapping has to be done in landscape mode only, so you just allow the permission and go to your preferred area and start mapping. So I'll just do mapping and you can take a look. Now I will just give some name, so let's say call it a test map and submit. Now as we can see, the data is uploading for this test map. If I now refresh the map, it is showing the thumbnail, and the status is showing as a pending. So it takes couple of minutes to process the map. In the meantime, we can also go to the developer portal, and we can log in with the same account, and we can see here the processed map is shown here, and it is showing currently in the pending state. So once this is processed, we can go ahead and localize this map to see now how to verify if the VPS is working fine. Whenever we localize the map, the gizmo should be visible at the origin of the map. So that is how we can validate, and later on we can also see how this how accurate is the VPS. Alright, so now let me refresh this page, and we would see like the status of the map got updated as active. And if I simply click on this 3D icon, it will show the 3D model of this particular scanned map. Now it's a interactive one, so you can see within just couple of seconds I could create a really amazing map, 3D model of this room. Okay, now how to use it, like to try it out, we will go back to I'll simply show the phone screen again, and let me open this just tap on this test map and try localization. So it just take a couple of seconds, the image is captured, and now it should ideally localize. So as we can see, like it is localized, and the gizmo, which is the XYZ axis, it is showing correctly because I started from the same location, and it is also showing this kind of mesh, a purple mesh of the scanned area. So this looks pretty good. Now there are various other features, like we can go ahead and create content around this mapped area, and then maybe share this as a AR experience with others. They can also give it a try. So this is all about the basic functionality of MultiSet application. Okay, in the next video we will see how we can use MultiSet SDK, and we can create our own basically we can integrate this whole thing in existing application or create our own application out of MultiSet SDK.